Alright. I'm small. I can sit like this. Start your intro, you weirdo.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Gracie.
We're doing the Burping Challenge Part 3.
Yeah, so basically last time I was on his channel, I was like 8 or 9, and I'm 11 now, so I think he's like 18.
17. I'll be 18 in March soon. It's coming up.
Sorry if the camera keeps on going in and out of focus, it's okay. But we have Dr. Pepper, and yeah. We're in my room. This is not his room. Because that would be weird because there's a butterfly up there. Ready, set, go.
No. Just the guy who lugged this heavy box all the way up the stairs just for you. You're welcome. I sent Maddie everything she needs to celebrate a traditional Tundrabanian New Year's Eve. We're going to face camp at midnight. Internet's hard to come by in Tundrabania, but I bought time.
I just realized I want every single burping challenge.
It's not good burping challenge, understand. Sometimes it goes, sometimes not. Hard to burp. Oh.
I feel like coming, I have to drink a little bit more.
Yeah.
For frozen solid.
How many rounds are we doing? 3, okay.
I can't burp right now. I don't know why. That's why I always do. Ow!
No! Ow!
Don't do that, fool.
Oh, my back's stinging.
That's why I shouldn't do that.
You're an ass munch. I hate you.
Come on, I'm filming now. No, I can't. I gotta drink more. I can't burp. Okay, this is give you the round. We'll just give you a round.
Okay, I'm a burping like a master, like not even joking. If the camera keeps on going in focus, it's okay.
Second round is one more round. That's not your challenge. You go to the store, get Hubba Bubble Gum, and it'll be the biggest bubble.
Looks like a challenge. Comment down below, guys. If you guys want to see that challenge.
If I want to go to also write it or something, I had the money to buy Hubba Bubba.
They have gum there, right? Oh yeah, they do.
It's either dollar store or Rite Aid.
Rite Aid has gum. Remember I got it from there before?
Oh, Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba makes bigger bubbles.
What up my nose? Was it around my nose irritated too, so that burned?
I'm getting 2 for each of us. That's how much it is. I only have $6, 7.
It's not that much.
That's how much it is. I'll buy you 2 or 3 for each of us.
Gum. I like taking gum to school. And when I'm not supposed to, I chew it secretly in class.
I'm not actually going to school. I don't care. They don't care.
WWE.
Yeah, I'm subscribed to that channel. I don't know why I can't burp lately. Probably drink so much water. Oh, God.
Yeah, because we're on diets, and this is like a little cheat type of thing. And also, I'm having dumplings with chicken for dinner.
Even if we drink with soda, if we drink water, it'll still go down then. Finally!
High five. Don't do it hard. My hands are sensitive.
So you beat that bitch?
I don't care. It's just a game, Kyle.
I know.
It's not competitive.
You know what's going up? Oh, it's going away. Wait. No, I got big one out. I'll save it. You're gonna lose.
Doesn't matter.
I know. I was totally reversing. I'm done with this. I'll get after that. I'm gonna do my. I beat that.
No.
He did it twice. He beat me 3 times. Oh, crap.
5
No
times.
way. No way in the 3rd round. Only the 4th round or something until you beat tie stuff.
I love this challenge. We should do another YouTube video after this.
When I asked Mom if we could bubble up a little bit and get help out from Rite Aid or something.
I'm still in my pajamas. Make that 7 times.
We're 3rd round.
I went up my nose.
Again?
Yes. My nose is sizzling.
Gracie, I have enough money to buy another big bag of mints. Should I buy another bag? Here, I'll make you a deal. I'll give you.
You should buy some like sour candy. We can do the sour candy challenge. That's a good
I
challenge.
don't like sour candy.
That's a challenge.
I think it's nasty. I was gonna buy a another big bag of mints. I'll give you half.
I'm gonna show you
I'll
guys
give
my
you.
YouTube channel.
I'll give you a big huge handful, and I'll take the rest.
More like 2.
Yeah, whatever.
This is my YouTube channel, guys.
Use the drive-by lamp.
Go subscribe.
Okay, perfect.
It's your
Alright,
weirdo
it's coming.
princess.
It's coming up.
I just reheated a pork chop.
While I drink this, I'm gonna go on my phone. My phone's at 19% though. On my YouTube channel, I have a bun and edges tutorial because a lot of people ask me about my buns. I also when I had longer hair, now I have short hair. And then a Q&A was my first video on this channel.
He left me a note. Hey, Rudy. Encloses everything you'll need.
I only have one account. Last year I had like 5 accounts.
I don't know why I can't burp right now.
I'm gonna make another account. It's gonna be what? Should I make a Kyle and Gracie channel? Okay, I'll do that right now while we're doing this.
I think I'm going to get back big bag of mints. Do you like the orange kind of mints? Like the orange. Well, this is orange something. I think
Like the lifesaver mints?
it's the one they have right now. But the orange kind has little orange flakes in it.
Oh, okay.
Never had it before.
They're good.
What do they taste like? I know that's the other ones. I'll try it. If they don't have the ones I like, I'll take the orange ones.
Would it kill you to send me yak milk just once? Alright, Steven's point. It looks like it is.
Try burp. Let's just end this thing because it's only 3 rounds. Trying to burp, I can get. I'm not trying to drink a lot because I don't want to gain weight.
Really though, please, bye. 2 hours left of the clock, and out of the 10,000.
Should we put mine on your birthday?
Doesn't matter. My birthday's coming up though.
I know.
2 months.
I turned 11 like a few months ago.
I'll be 18. So coming up. My talk's not going down.
Hold on, I'll put my birthday.
Okay.
My birthday's in 4 years.
Come on, Phil. It's coming up. Come on. Fuck it. What away.
It's September 4th. Okay, never mind.
This burping beat me out. I can't burp.
I'm trying. I almost pooped.
I can't. I just can't. Is your stomach or a fart?
My stomach.
I'll say, but I'll be out of here.
When I drink too much soda at once, my stomach like rumbles, like this acid inside of the soda.
Well, I lost. I can't burp, so I guess you won.
I already put my gender, you idiotic person. My name's Gracie. Obviously, it's a female, you idiot. Making it all Gracie and Kyle.
Well, I guess you won.
Thanks.
I'll send it.
Alright guys, let's do our outro. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what challenges you guys would like to see. And we'll do any suggestions you guys would like.
And someday we're gonna do the Hubba Bubba challenge.
Yeah, probably soon. Probably tomorrow or something.
Maybe.
We have school tomorrow though.
Probably 2 days of ice and cold. Supposed to get bad. Alright, I'm gonna end it.
Bye guys.
Bye.